Hey guys, thank you for stopping by and welcome to another DIY home decor episode. In case you're new here, my name is Effie and I'm passionate about everything DIY, home decor, organization, art and craft. If that sounds like your thing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put a single video up. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it was so much fun. It turned out so well. I can't wait for you guys to watch this till the end. Requirements for this video are 5 pieces of square-shaped ceramic tiles, some cement as you can see in the small container, and water. I started out by mixing my cement with the water. Take your time during the mixing stage and ensure you end up with a nice thick consistency, not so thick but not so thin too, as you guys can see. At this point I realized it would have been better if I would have watered my tiles first, because I actually realized they absorbed the water from the cement, but it's okay. This is the first step. I'm just going along the line of the base tile and putting my first side in. I'm going in with extra cement just for a firmer end and for a nice finish. Second stage, I'm going in with cement on the second side of my base tile, and you can see I've supported my first side. If there's someone to hold it in place, well and good, but you can use anything to support it as long as it's going to stay firm and not move constantly. You guys can see what happened there. You need to pre-measure your tiles and know how they'll sit. The third step that I'm doing is involving the third side. Going in with some cement on the inside. You guys can see the opposite side is already drying up. That is why I said it would be better if you'd have watered your tiles first, but if it happens, so just splash some water, it's okay. I'm just ensuring my sides are well put, just pressing the cement in, and the cement can go up to the sides, it's okay, as you guys can see. This is so easy. Just be generous and take your time. It will turn out so well. I'm just securing my sides, and once that was done, I went round with a rope that I tied firmly and let it stay overnight. I put some weight on top, and the following day this is how it looked. I let it sit for 2 more days with intervals of 3 to 4 hours of watering, and that is the final product, guys. That is how our planter looks from the inside. After my 2 days were done, I went in with my soil because it's a planter and I could not wait to put my plant in. Watering here and there, and yes, that was amazing. So guys, that's it for today's video. The plant I used today is aloe vera. You could use a plant of your choice. Aloe vera was readily available for me and it turned out so well. It looks so nice. This is a project you can try. with your friends at home during quarantine. Like right now, I'm just going on top with some ballast fillings just to make it look prettier, I guess. And thank you for watching this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. There are plenty more DIYs in store and in line just for you. We are almost at 100 subscribers, guys. It's only been a week. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and be part of the DIY family. There are several projects in line just for you. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section below. In case of any inquiries, please let me know. And if you try this out, let me know too. I think that's it for today's video. Bye, be kind, and spread love.